guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you're welcome. Now, do you want your skin to actually look and feel like that of a baby skin? Yes guys, this baking soda mix is going to give you that wonderful glow, that wonderful smoothness, and that wonderful plumpness. Okay, and you are going to be loving it guys. Let's dive into this video, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Alright, we're needing baking soda because baking soda is a mild exfoliant, and it's a great remedy to banish acne and pimples from your skin. It is safe to be used on the skin because it helps to remove acne, and baking soda also helps to remove wrinkles and fine lines. It removes dark spots. It gets rid of dermatitis and pimples. Alright, so we're going to be needing oatmeal. Alright, so I'm actually showing you the can so that you know the oatmeal that I'm going to be using is actually the regular oatmeal here. Oatmeal has rich antioxidant property and helps to undo damage done to your skin by pollution, UV rays, and chemicals. Oatmeal helps to reduce itching, eczema. It calms the skin. Oatmeal also helps to remove wrinkles and fine lines. So if you're among the categories of people that uses chemical to damage your skin, you can actually use this to reverse the damage that has been done on the skin. Now we're going to also be needing some dry milk. Now, milk contains a lactic acid that helps to reduce pigmentation, heal dry skin. It hydrates the skin and heal acne and relieves sunburns. Okay, so milk also helps in removing pigments. It helps to tighten up the pores. It helps to reverse aging process, and it's also a great moisturizing property. And then we're going to be needing rose water and glycerin. Now, rose water is a great remedy that reduces the redness of an irritated skin. It works wonders in removing acne. It calms the skin. It helps to rejuvenate and remove fine lines and as well as wrinkles. So the first thing we're going to be doing is going to be putting in the oatmeal. And we're going to put in about 2 tablespoons of that oatmeal. And then we're going to be putting in half tablespoon of baking soda. And also 1 tablespoon of dry milk. Now we're going to stir this all up. We're going to dry stir it first to mix all of this together. Okay. Okay, after mixing this all up together, and we would have to be putting in about 1 tablespoon of rose water, enough to go around your skin. Now you stir this all up at first. Then we're going to be putting in some water to liquidify the mixture. Alright, now we're going to stir this really good. Now you can decide to actually microwave this so it can actually dissolve the oatmeal, which is what I'm going to do. After microwaving it, then you can actually put it in the refrigerator to cool it down. Alright, so this is how it looks like after microwaving. And now I would have to be pouring in liquid milk in it, and then we'll stir. Okay, so here I have the oats and the baking soda. I've actually refrigerated it, like it's cool right now. It's okay for my skin, alright? After microwaving it, smells good. Alright, so I'm actually gonna be using my hand this time because I'm just gonna pack this whole stuff onto my face. So, oh, it's so cooling, man. So you're gonna pack it into your face, and trust me, if you have sunburns caused by chemical, and if you have stretch marks caused by some cream, man, this is actually what you need. Okay, this is actually what you need. Yeah. I'm actually going to be applying that on my lip because I love my lip to look pink, so it's going to get lighter. Okay guys, so after applying this, you would have to wait for a little while, and you don't necessarily need to scrub it. Yeah, it's just going to help to remove the dead skin cells on your skin. The dullness of your skin is gonna wake up your skin, is gonna plump your skin, and trust me, man, the next morning, like after applying this and leaving it on for like 3 to 5 minutes, you are going to see a whole lot of improvement. Now, one thing is that if you have a sensitive skin, because there is baking soda in it, you don't have to wait for 5 minutes. You just have to wait for like 2 to 3 minutes, and it's okay. You go wash it, okay, because a baking soda in it is just going to give you that tinkling feeling. But it's all right if you don't have a sensitive skin and a very soft, fragile skin. But okay, if you have a fragile and sensitive skin, you have to wash it off in 2-3 minutes, or rather immediately you're done applying it, and you're good. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for like 5 minutes, and yeah, because I need to renew my skin, yep, I'm gonna be waiting for 5 minutes and I will wash it off. You have to use a cool water, a very cool water, and a toilet soap. Follow suit with a very mild oil. You can use vitamin E oil just to repair your skin, and you are going to be loving it. It smells and feels really good on my skin, like seriously. But you have to refrigerate it, let it be very chill after you've microwaved, okay, so that it's not going to burn your skin. And yeah, just like I said, follow the instruction and your skin is going to be super duper soft and glowing and really polished. So that's it. If you do enjoy watching this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share the video, and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. And I'll see you soon in my next video, and bye guys. Mwah.